Decided, okay, what are we going to have today? So I just went out on the table and looked to see what we had, which is the same thing you would do if you were at home. Pull over that refrigerator, what's in here to cook?
Empty
And
shelves.
so, yes, I have some empty shelves. Then you come over here to the pop-up market and we fix that. So today we're going to have potatoes, leeks, peppers, and zucchini. And while I was standing here, I think I'm going to throw in some beans into the mix for your protein. I'm starting with the potatoes because they take the longest to cook. And actually, I'm going to throw I didn't have onions, but I have leeks. So I'm going to throw the leeks in, get them to kind of clear.
Here they are.
Then I will throw in my potatoes and mix the leeks into them to get the flavor going. And once we start adding everything else in, then I'll add the water and we'll let it simmer down. I need the leeks. Thank you. Oh, she's good. We're going to have her on our TV show. I use 1 can of kidney beans and I put 1 can of water, and I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer down. And I did add a little more olive oil as I added the other ingredients in. Is garlic powder and a little pepper, that's all.
So the salad that we're going to do today is a year-round salad. It's good in the summer, it's good in the winter, it's good if you wake up at midnight and you want to have a healthy snack. And it's made from the items that we get very often every week from the food pantry. So it's very simple. I call it a 1-2-3 salad. You got the canned kidney beans. You want to rinse them before you put them in the salad. It's a real dumb salad. Got that all, okay. The next item is garbanzo beans. These are so good, so many different ways. But in this salad, we're going to use them just the way they are. Again, don't forget to rinse them first. Drain and rinse. Dump them in the salad. 1, 2, 3. And the third, which is, of course, our cut green beans. Dump it into the salad. 3 items. Now, to this, you could add onions, but there are some people that, kind of bothers their stomach. You can add some fresh herbs from your garden, and just mix this up. And today we're going to keep it simple. Going to use just a little bit of garlic powder, a little pepper somewhere. So that's it. And then the crowning jewels. Okay, thank you. Just a couple. Oh, peeking out. Okay, that's enough. And then the best little thing you can get, Italian dressing. Remember when we got all those salad dressings? I like to add a little more garlic to it. So that's it. You take this and add it. I'm going to put more in here. Now this salad is best 1 or 2 days later. You're going to taste it and it's still going to have all the flavor that was just made as you were entering here today, and we put it in the refrigerator. When it's chilled, it kind of heightens all the different ingredients that are in there. So, and here we go. It's a 1, 2, 3 bean salad. Voila.